Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Garden of Life Meal Raw Chocolate Organic 17.9 ounce. Not a great taste, but add some stevia and all is good. Love the ingredients as compared to other meal replacements at 200B. Oh, and this doesn't give me the stomach discomfort that other powders have in the past, so that's another one for this product. The only thing that is a minor issue in my book is that it does get very thick if you sit on it. It is really hard to choke down at the end of the shake and chug session that is required, since this stuff isn't a sipping beverage. If you get it open the package, stir some water in with a scoop of this, then drink it. You're going to hate it. So the bad news is that if you don't mix it in the blender, it is pretty gritty, and if you don't mix it with something besides water, the taste leaves something to be desired. This product tastes amazing, beats the hell out of straight pea protein, is full of wonderful healthful ingredients and safe natural sweeteners. There is some visceral reaction that my palate has to it that is extremely satisfying, as though my body can feel the nutrition value or something. It has everything you do want as far as organic vegan. It has all on the label and tastes good too. It has amazing flavor and nourishes your body after a workout or as a great evening snack to help keep you on track. It tastes grainy and tastes healthy, but as long as you don't need everything to taste like candy, you'll like it. It's one of those drinks that you have to drink then and not try to refrigerate it for the next day. As others have mentioned, if you're really looking for something that tastes like chocolate milk, this alone isn't it for you. No grit or aftertaste, and the lightly sweet that comes from the almond and or coconut milk is more than enough to overcome any bitterness in the mix. Have lost 20 pounds in 6 weeks by simply having a raw meal shake for breakfast and a snack size shake, 8 ounces for lunch, and a healthy meal at dinner time. It is not exactly economical for people who plan to replace 1-2 meals per day or share the container between multiple people. It didn't keep me full, but it kept me feeling like there was substance in my stomach other than water. To keep it simple, list of pros and cons. Pros: my digestive tract has been very happy with me. To put it bluntly, my bowel movements are quite comfortable now and far more regular. Go to your local health food store, buy a packet, and see if you can drink it in one way or another. If you eat a clean diet and drink other raw organic high quality protein drinks, then you won't have any problems with the raw meal. For me, it is not a beverage that can be consumed quickly, which gives me a lot of time to contemplate the meaning of life and the problem with meal supplements. The powder can be a bit gritty, but mixed with almond milk and blueberries you can really taste the grit. But is it healthy? Yes. Is it a great way to fuel your body and with a combination of exercise feel better? Yes. Great product by itself. Tastes similar to bland oatmeal. Drink quickly before it settles and gets too thick to drink. It is decent, and you can definitely make it better by adding soy milk or almond milk, but it is also okay as is. So far it is good. The taste is kinda creamy. You can realize the sweetener, and it tastes weird to me. Being a vegetarian, it digests well for me and doesn't give me the telltale stomach problems that comes with whey or other protein sources. But this product really is great, so consider it good for all diets, even though it tries to advertise for a specific diet. It is not a Wendy's Frosty, it is a meal shake, so don't expect it to taste like dessert. If you like the flavor of dark chocolate, this is comparable. If you're more in balance and have cleared yeast, cut the sugar completely out, the GMOs, the junk food, etc. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.